Hi everyone, today we'll be doing question 16 on LeetCode called threesome closest. So if you haven't seen my video on threesome yet, please take a look at it first because we'll be using a lot of the same concepts. This idea behind this question is we want to find the sum that is as close to the target as possible. So given this, if our target value is 1, we want to find the sum that is as close to 1 as possible, which is 2, adding in the 3 first values. So we're going to be still be using our two-pointer approach. So let's sort first. Just because we want to use two pointers afterwards, and for us to use two pointers, they must be pre-sorted. Let's start our difference at infinity. This is what we'll be updating to make sure that we get as close to the target as possible. And so now let's iterate. Start in and I is plus. Let's call j I plus 1 and k goes minus 1. And then we can say while j is less than k. Let's find the sum. And now we want to minimize the difference as close to possible. So how do we do this? We can say if the method absolute of the difference, because once again the difference can be negative, is greater than the method absolute between the target minus sum. That means that we found a difference that's closer to what we had before, so let's update it. And then let's just move our pointer. So if the sum is less than the target, we need bigger values. So j plus plus. Otherwise, we need smaller values if the sum is greater than target, so k minus minus. Cool. And then at the end, we just return target minus the difference, because that's exactly what we want. We want the value that's as close to as possible. So if the difference is equal to target minus sum, then this is basically target minus quote unquote target minus sum, which just gives you the sum at the end. Cool, let's see if this works. Works just fine. So how do we get the runtime? The runtime of this is just going to be O of n squared, just like threesome, because we're doing one iteration over here and then another iteration over here with two pointers, where n is the length of the given array. So with that, I'll put a link to the question as well as my GitHub down below, and I'll see you guys next time.